Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, August 19. The two major political parties vying to make up the next government have signed a political code of conduct to govern general elections on September 3. The leaders signed the certificate at Emancipation Park earlier today. Political ombudsman Donna Parchment Brown called for strict adherence to the political code of conduct.
We look forward to a campaign without violence or intimidation, without confrontation in words or deeds, with platforms that even children can listen to and respect, that everyone is free to campaign wherever they are legally allowed, that you will commit in this campaign to repudiate both political tribalism and corruption.
We will bring a law to classify hate crimes in Jamaica. Not just political hate crimes, but crimes that can be seen to be motivated by the characteristic of a person. And that, I believe, would move us in a direction with a stronger step towards eliminating political violence from our culture.
Let us all go forward in the knowledge that it is our actions that will determine the sincerity of the words which we speak today, and that the code that we sign today will be yet another milepost along the path to building a Jamaica in which free and fair elections are commonplace and harmony between people of divergent political views is the order of the day.
139 candidates have been nominated to vie for the 63 seats in the House of Representatives. Meanwhile, the political ombudsman Donna Parchment Brown is reporting that there have been 10 complaints lodged to her office. The grievances relate to campaign activities across the island and have been received since August 11, when Prime Minister Andrew Holness announced elections for September 3. Mrs. Parchment Brown says many of the complaints have been resolved. She has since urged candidates and their supporters to abide by the political code of conduct. That, she says, includes not blocking the entrance to communities and not defacing billboards or damaging personal and public property. $9 million in grant funding has been awarded to 12 mining and quarry operators. The money will assist with implementing activities to limit the impact of COVID-19 on their operations. The grants were given under Phase 2 of the African, Caribbean and Pacific European Union ACP-EU Minerals Development Program, which runs from 2019 to 2022. UNDP resident representative Denise Antonio says the support will assist the small-scale operators to strengthen their safety, business, and emergency responses to the impact of COVID-19. The UNDP, along with the Mines and Geology Department in the Ministry of Transport and Mining, are co-implementers of Phase 2 of the program, which is being funded by the European Union. The Ginger Hill Health Center is the latest facility to benefit under the Ministry of Health and Wellness's Adopt a Clinic program. The National Supply Foundation, which adopted the clinic on Friday, has made a $3 million commitment over a 3-year period to upgrade the facility. Minister of Health and Wellness Dr. Christopher Tufton says the ministry is proud of the support the Adopt a Clinic initiative has been gaining locally and in the diaspora.
The Adopt a Clinic so far has had 30 adoptions. We have been able to raise some almost 90 million Jamaican dollars. And, I'm really heartened, I'm really happy, pleased with the number of expressions of interest by persons in the diaspora, persons locally, companies.
Under the initiative, the ministry has earmarked 100 of the 320 health centers across the island for support to improve the delivery of primary health care. Funding is garnered from local and international individuals, groups, and corporate entities for 3 to 5 year periods. And finally, the White River Fish Sanctuary in St. Anne has been gifted with a new headquarters, funded by the Tourism Enhancement Fund, TEF. The TEF and other stakeholders have invested approximately $16 million in the fish sanctuary, which is managed by the White River Marine Association. The headquarters was officially opened recently by Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett. The facility will act as a focal point for training, education, and other marine activities, including coastal cleanups. The association's patrol unit is is also docked nearby and is used by the entity's wardens, who are also fishermen, to enforce and protect the Special Fisheries Conservation Area. Mr. Bartlett says the association has been instrumental in increasing the fish population and restoring coral reefs since operations began in 2018.
So the quality of the environment, both natural and man-made, is therefore essential to tourism. And as such, it is our duty to take care of it, to maintain the balance of the ecosystem and our awe-inspiring assets.
The new headquarters features an administrative office, a tank refill station, equipment storage area, bathroom facilities, and more. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.